सभी का स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल में।
I welcome you all in this new video. Today I will discuss about few Excel tips. So these will be very useful Excel tips that you can use as and when they are required. So let's move forward. The first one is the hide cell. Just have a look here. This is X and this is Y and this is X into Y. I am changing here the value. See what is happening. Here is some value but which is not visible. How to do so? Let's proceed step by step. Example, here it is 5 and here let's take 6. This is the value 6. So here I am using the function this value multiplied by this value and here it is. Now how to hide this value or this value? The simple way to do this, select the cell, right click, go to format cell and this pop-up will appear. Now go to custom and here you have to type semicolon for 3 times, 1 2 3. Okay, so here it is omitted. This is the way, very useful handy trick that you can use. Now let's see, just test it here. So it's working. So this is the way you can hide the value of one of the cell. Next, let's move on to another second tips. Next is to transpose. Here we have data. We want to convert columns to row. Simply what we do, Control C, select the desired cell and just paste special and here we click transpose. Okay, it has converted the data which was in columns to row. Now if I am making some change here, it is not appearing in this cell. How we can do that so that we are able to do so? So how to do whatever change we are doing can be taken here. For that you need to go pick up the desired location 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, and then right here transpose, here it is, then select the location, close cell and use Control Shift Enter. Here are the values. So now just observe, this is the value for C. I am making it 14. You can see it is also changing here. So if you have data in one sheet here and you want to take it, or you have already copied it into some other source, maybe it is Word file or Excel in another sheet. So whatsoever the change you will make in this sheet, it will be reflecting statement in that sheet today. Next is moving to convert. Although we can do this on Google, immediately Google bar give you values, but Excel also gives you very handy features. For example, I want to convert into watt. So for that, use Excel formula, convert. After typing it, it will ask which number. So this is the number. Then what you want to convert? I want to convert meters. Double click it, put comma, meters to watt. I want to convert into meters to inch and close bracket, and it has converted 100 meters into how many inches, right? So this is the way you can do convert functions can be used. The important thing is that here in convert function there are so many things. Convert, number, and here you can see this is very big list. So whatever is required here, square inch, square light years, and there's so many things that can be converted if they are not easily accessible or you have no internet at point when you are working on some important useful data. So this is the convert function that can be used in Excel. And the next and the last tip for the day is networking day. Here I have a data. This is start day and this is end date. And here are the 2 holidays. How to calculate the number of working days? There is again one formula that we will apply. It is net working day. It will ask for start date. This is start date, comma, end date, comma, holidays. So these are the 2 holidays. Select them, close. Here 6 for the working days. So this is the way we can use useful Excel tips, and we'll meet again in another video. I hope you found this video useful. So please like this video and leave a comment there in comment section. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive notification of new videos. Thank you.
फिर हाजिर होंगे नए विषयों के साथ। तब तक देखते रहें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। नए वीडियो की जानकारी की नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाइए।